In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retrieve missing calendar in Outlook 2025, step by step. If a meeting or appointment has suddenly disappeared, don't panic. Outlook often keeps a copy you can recover, and I'll walk you through the exact process so you can get that event back onto your calendar with confidence. First, here's the plan. We'll start by looking in the deleted items folder because that's where Outlook sends most removed calendar entries. If it's not there, we'll use Outlook's built-in recovery tool to bring it back, then place it in the correct calendar folder. Begin by switching to Mail View. The deleted items folder lives in the mail side of Outlook, not in the calendar view, so click the mail icon on the left panel, the envelope symbol. If your Outlook layout looks a bit different, the idea is the same. You want the mail section where your folders are listed. Next, in the folder list, click Deleted Items. This folder contains emails and, importantly, deleted calendar items. Look through the list for your missing event. Calendar items are usually marked with a small calendar icon, and meeting invitations may show a similar icon. Take your time and check the date, subject, or organizer details to make sure you found the right one. When you locate the event you want to restore, right-click it and choose Move, then select Other Folder. In the list that appears, choose Calendar and click OK. This move action ensures the item is placed back into your calendar data, not just copied as an email. If you have multiple calendars, pick the main calendar folder you use every day. After this, the event will appear on the correct date and time in your calendar. If you don't see your event in deleted items, we'll recover it from the server. At the top of Outlook, open the Folders tab. Click Recover Deleted Items, or you might see it labeled as Recover Items recently removed from this folder. A recovery window will open showing items that were recently purged from deleted items. Find your calendar event, select it, and click OK. Outlook will restore it back into the deleted items folder. From there, repeat the Move to Other Folder step and send it to your calendar. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Recovery availability depends on your mailbox settings. Items are only recoverable for a limited time set by your organization or account provider. If the recovery option isn't available, your account type might not support server-side recovery. And that's it. Follow these steps to restore missing Outlook calendar items quickly and accurately.